Shein iwe ringisa itira kama zwafika afuna mini iwe ringisa mini mateke Nike
mana na coach bag inayo so
really
and then price ya coach bag
na mateke ndi price ya Nike mara ziko office
like bugai maybe
like 1000 okay prices are dunk ziko fun
2.4 2.4
Janani
oh then why ndishinga irenga kashi maybe ngore they've got colors zinadziyo apa
yeah I think there's that una variety yote
mara hava kodisa yone makwena I don't trust them
ndako samocheka ntuma mlanzi fune review can't mara ndio ndingana mara mbara
I don't get it unless kara ko findiko wana like a major discount because it's straight from China because ndibononga haya noni anosvika pano ti atomapira like rokobadela na zvimwe zvitu then why would I sports in nikobadela shop nikobadela mini and whatever service so why ndiko do irenga price inti bone basi kuita chitwa kutopanga cheka sini
I feel like maybe bako offer uri buy chipisa bendora ya ukuma
they've got hair too and whatever
how's the hair there mara ashapona
nzompengela
right bad
kulera ashapo mara zvibva kuri ngodapiyo
why ndiko search iPhone zvino
shumisanela phone yandino ndiputedza
hai irazichele rona toma ndikala ini content ngapa iri kuito isaga
kadise chigwena apa richiona hello
ndo tamana mwana
hai
Okay, dunk ikuita 1.3.
Ngoibona 1.3. Aiti 1.3 dunk.
Okay, Nike Air Force. This one is a woman 2.8. Ikuita 1.9.
Let's see.
Argumene por songo to yesa unji.
Na elindi nalo.
Nalrenga ngabwe.
Nalrenga 2020 kare.
Lalikuita bugai. Oh. Don't you want to give it a try? Nambuzera ashapo na nenda renga.
Ini ngachedi yanga. Kana ndompa chedi yo give it a try.
Arite 50-50 range
as well.
Nonzi wananga ugai. Difference iko into price go make a difference.
There's a difference. Ngora una dunk ya 1.3 unless already you kids.
Nah, I don't know man. So they were the one to go check out zviteke zvo one ko borrow.
So uchipisa nga 1000 yote. That's a lot. Arare on.
I don't want to find 100 rand a ton yang.
Oh, you know 1000 2.4 to 1.4. That's like a lot of money.
Guys, munga karenge ntu. Komlo munga renge matiki kashi. Aruzora hani.
Atuko renga matiki kashi today.
Why?
Ini renga ndibone.
I'll give you
because she honestly attend say I'm not going to lie. Because the 1,000 rand ingabe kubva ka up and down yori wa sports in vajia vaita avona vo archive. Cause nabo vakorenga ninge it's not like sports in ya ditera matiki nduni.
Let's check the famous ones. Or kids review.
Nza check na Gucci.
Of Gucci wangasibe nayo obviously.
Why not?
I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't look original.
Eli. Ndi review.
Comes to trust a call for the
microwave. I don't know.
I know ways. No.
This one doesn't look bad. This one looks fine.
In fact, your Ngori looks good. Ngori doesn't look bad.
Marabonan. Ininal for the iPhone alinga big. No, I have banana.
I think the review.
I hope no ambara. I hope Jiva. I post.
Maybe. Oh, Mara is on stickers on go this one. I don't know, man. Also, Mara won't want in tower into. Provided by Nike. Yeah, so.
Yeah, I'll give it a try. I'll do that.
Okay. Brand Nike. Remember, they're not allowed to do this on an international market.
So meaning, and do you do as 1.8? You 1.1.
1.8. You go back 2,000.
Then it is because new the price here for some.
Oh, I don't know, man.
Anyways, in Rengatanga, you'll tell me. You let me know.
I'm so scared. I'm taking investment much.
Hey, Jambraka the investor goes to investment. But I get it. I think for men, but taking investment.
Unlike you guys, when you're going to take 107 at
I don't know, guy.
I don't know.
But ndibwe.
But yadhura.
Yadhura.
Also, arina meritoma yantuma. Changoz ndobona story chafu. Inobona matiki maswa au lawa drip. Alikao.
Atutu abon. Tutu check.
I don't know, man.
Obipa. Do you think he's trying too hard now because it's like
I feel like ofuna otenda. Maybe aita zunga zitu because I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel about that thing.
Atutu abon. Let me see. Maroti otenda aita mini. What else can you do? Are we yangashkipa? Still you were gonna say he's trying too hard. So my chat is
maybe
a designer drip I'm assuming he can come up with something similar, you
maybe
know.
Maybe it's the timing then. What do you
mean? What do you mean? What is he supposed to eat? What do you mean?
Yeah, so guys, welcome back to another episode, the Black Diaries.
Why no excitement. Hi guys, welcome back to guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the Black House Diaries, episode number. No, subtitle and with Venda it's worse. You know, if maybe it was an English podcast, AI, whatever. But
then why would you put subtitles and come English already?
Funny enough, there's a girl I met Chinatown. Yo, Kosiam. Ile Midrand abala first.
When Chinatown?
Yeah, Midrand. Come back to Josie.
The China Mall up.
Oh damn.
Yeah, USA.
It doesn't matter. Town, mall, shop, doesn't matter.
Say.
So, ndo Jena, dwalo nida to get in out with the small little dress na wagegana. I have this thing. So I'm so used to it. So I did that. I think it was and then this girl says, "Oh, are you in a part of a podcast?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And I'm Venda, because that's the first thing you see. I don't know. I'm not Venda. And I'm like, okay. So they do watch. I'm paid or something. She's light skinned.
Oh.
So
see a lot of international people now. But I don't know, man. People just wanna learn.
No, what I always say to people when they ask me why you say these subtitles and whatever,
what do you say?
I'm always like, the podcast Venda. That's what I say.
And I tell them that, and then I also tell them we shoot the day before we drop.
No, I'm teaching the podcast and then they're like, no, but why wouldn't you want to like attract? I'm so confused with the guest Makwani, you know, Inasimo Venda, and he's just another person. And I'm like, but then there's like a million other podcasts that are doing that.
Exactly.
This is like literally so Rava eat subtitles, it will slowly take down the whole mission and the objective of why it started. But
so I think now only paying Pindro your best.
Venda audience.
Also, there's like Venda people when they just come up and I have connections with them. You can pull them, then they will pull the numbers. I'm like, I get the numbers, and I mean, into their Venda. Let's get that thing. If you get it right, then answer the Dwana tells you.
There's a lot.
I want my cards, man, for some, not even.
Get my cards, get Alicia. Get Zonzo. No, Zonzo ngad.
Zonzo, wait a minute.
Oh, no. He can come tell us what he does. No, I'm just saying. Uri, let's get Makazi. Let's get Alicia. Let's get
Makazi, Alicia.
Let's get Miss Gopes.
I just don't want Makazi now, though. You're like, I know later, I want Makazi. But I want
you feel like it's not the right time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get Miss Gopes. Get... Not
Venda. I feel like another challenge.
She's more in a segment here for Magazi Miss Gopes.
Oh, now another challenge you don't want. You're but Banjane, request not. Oh, no, Baba Venda straight. so zviyakondora okay let's shoot namini
magenetics inevadauti vadha vashuta vaumwe
ini muntu odo achikoniudzora abendi kuuya popeni tichotoma ndedhera namini vato
also it depends kuri ndingovidza nyi mutu waone you know
yeah there's that thing
ndinyi anenonopfika the ava Venda full time
but vanji your artist like because I'm umura from the top of my head now or
because kazi artist inji you've heard most of them Racha you have heard Racha
but unangona hafi ndizani Racha like okay it will be good
mara nge Racha who else
Guzba
Guzba wait I mean why you in Guzba to interview what happened
no man I like I'm more like I like the content na minute but then he has a challenge also mara I feel like in this period as well because that's why I don't want to come as yet
no already ana reasons out the person
and it's valid
no then he's gonna come when he's ready I guess
trust me so songoja fe Guzba mini Guzba chinya goda udoda ndo
ready anymore
asongoita ndasongofa man how have you been it's been a while not gumanga June guys look at the rotor look at them and it's JC
ndikadiyambara uri kuna legging yangu muna masokisi maviri iyo ndiyaupa
pekoambara matirekuzo makodhuru lirai ndorudzori ndialifoni nane ndinalo
ngozvipa ndingodolitodi ndinalo kakati
aningoliresimbeze order iri ndirani
alitusvika
arikamba kakati
daisi nalo
ndingariresa ndiyafuna madhito anituti abegi
nendichezanzibar ndandoda imwe tupisi yadaishkipa pedza matina yaisi tupisi vangeiyoveiwa yari top ka description inazivare ndono imagine I was so sad nazvo ndinachikipa tozvenditiningacho
renganiburukwaone kana chikete chaone depending kore nditupisi yamini
that was my last Shein card titodafunda vana Shein card maybe I'll do it now ndikutodova naimwe zvinhu
I'm addicted now, all of a sudden.
It's so easy. It's so like there's cute little dresses, especially for girls. Like I mean, you never know where you're going. There's so many events. Those go for area chikepeni. Mutu dodanga skinny jean. Shein is 69 rand a rock. No, you don't have to know urenkorenge guy.
Yeah.
You see a cute dress and you've got the money, get it. Because it's gonna make you feel good nichi yapetu. Opresori ni yapetu niwe nikofani si nisingodzudza
ngozimanyamanya ngozibona mupiso
and if dwela Venda likotoda roko hey don't make a mistake you're na roko it's so hot in Venda when are you leaving
leaving for
Venda
I don't know
hona kuri Cape Town
tina na maduva nditi atoja leave vamwe divide
no mara you not manga junu
ndikotema
no bana maduva
ndikotema capitalize zvavudi mamunhu mina nini vamuna
nene ndi channel extra
avenhu vamuna
utokaka warwara utokaka warwara mara at least a sick leave rine rikotojaka annual so mara although ndi kuvhala quite early
I feel like ndiyagorwara and then ndakonoja leave after ndichipedza kurwara
zvone zviyaplaneya mara it's also not very wise because zviyajampisa you don't wanna
ndi madhuba anga ndotoashumira ti
orwara notoshumira madhuba norwara
remember ana sick leave ndoishumira
notoishumira but like
no then ndikorwara ndaimshumo ndisina na tides ndozomini ndidorwara nga December I know I get sick a lot uchitomopisa
mupisa uniyandi
muntu dakutobona chikutori
mara I don't know ndikutodhoitua early not early but like
nane I should
I was asking as 22 mamna 21 22
that's very early
and it's not 21 that's late literally the day before All Black ndava ndikuti ya All Black ndava ndikuti has been paid timwedhera December I didn't sleep I had a wedding
if you end up sick for a reason
I had weddings my December was a mess guys ndikunyongotopapo uri udzura pasi amuri murunzini ivo munyanya wetani
munyanyuta mina
emuna ini yadazvo ndini waminyanya why ngonjenisa you know I'm not into these things
I was asking how have you been ngotomumbarabare
I'm good so far so good
atokweta na intro raronyakweta intro atoma zvimwe zvitu futi but then
brought to you by minimini
na uriri kubva guy maginya bosko amuchazikoringange murayati kunyangofedza zvinhu aikwamba
we haven't said anything guys
so guys welcome hamba ini and then he stopped me in the night so coming at you live from Panda Studios you know ifunya kuita zvavudi na mimi ndidonimengera izvi rodorera zvizvi ndingaziveningorola mato
atingorola ndikotovedzera zvinoenda kwamba ndikoseya pati yenari yarepo yoita zvavudi na mimi it's so much of
apparently that's the thing that's my signature
that's what I
so it's more like etc you get it
just say etc ba
no nyakuzvema chivenda ndi podcast yechivenda rari kamba zvone kusongola So yeah, guys, I still say we're coming at you live from Panda Studios. Nigga, the net as the video, podcasting, anything and live streaming also they do that.
Na OnlyFans.
Na mean. This is not okay. So the only face Zika mean. Yeah, so if you get us so contact them on 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. The guidance come on a guy. 38 Mill Street, Bramfontein. Ninguno 38 Mill Street. But was quite a the pinpoint ya so kusvika fe rosvika vathu vangange. So yeah, or neshika into
Ningwe deluxe naga Uber.
Ngazo no khela ini. None of the deluxe. Either way, this episode is probably brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. Oh, wakuvula bra.
I heard ndi nyumu mtu akombuza building yabo abavenda akumbuziro ibona.
Ndopanga miyanga wachi ayo naka una maluba ndotori haya.
No, but nenda ndikubathemba when it comes to that. They wouldn't fail. They have a good what I didn't do review.
Varakuvula ngantu ngati 4 December.
Benito riba kovula ungarikoti yore kama bogisi dobona sele wa.
Ndikotwa mbori into.
Mengu na bongo na soft launch.
Dilo unakulonja.
Raya riko try on mabogisi.
Ndikotipona bontu la glass.
That's 4 December. So are they doing like a party like an opening? That's 4.
Are you going? It's a
Thursday.
It's a Thursday.
Oh shit, no, it's the day before my year end. I can't make it.
Wait, year end.
Yamshumon.
Oh, you valwanga the 5.
Year end party. Party ndi at 5 mara rokodovala after.
And after year end ndinga said one night
No, mara mishumoni minji. Au vari year end itwa matomoni man.
Mara baba kuni uzori the jerenzi live ni to.
No, also itwa matomoni the following week yeah, but the last week. Remember na zvinji zono itiwa in between so.
That guy man.
Oh yeah, I've been doing the jena. But the depends year end. And year end mtu akambesi you can't do advice.
Kambesi how it was year ending.
Why? Every company no, mara batu yobana dwala ngozvipa.
Yo. Ukinya rishto becha auri namzindi mshumoni, wafa namzindi mshumoni.
No, ndiko mbori duality batu yoita.
Ndia bintu nifike ndia koja nge.
Kama getulule. Kama getulule mshumoni utiyo dipa, utiyo bana events in between. Yeah, dele. Ngomona nani wadele iti. Wadele.
Never does what I got to the bagazo. Because doesn't anyone to doesn't have call. Dari
Asianga nandukuita head.
Namuone ndichidera. Ndajena ndo generally aggressive. Business opposed anitega. This repost.
Omboresta. Business wabo. No muruvereza ine. Rasa omposta.
Nezo kunduvereza chusika.
Takupfure arikaiti.
Guys, ndikuita level para tumanga 9. Abo mizano frame.
Yeah, niyabona vatu. Nichibona vatu. Rono Thomas of the rock properly. Guys, tiko imisa kakhola.
Riko spin afa.
Ndakola majibs sompenge.
Bamisa nanga ndina kereke nthani ari ni yangu ntsumeza goloi. Ndiko dala.
Bishop no zeri. Ndito dana mara zo to na nga Sunday bo hai. Shlazina wana yovuliwa na bonnet iko shashwa ngamadhi.
Yashira madhi.
Ala wana bakikulo kuichina bakuitinga.
Ya ni ntoni. Ngabuka tebe.
No, vele I'll see him separate like to kubiyonda it.
Why red?
Isn't it so me? Inanchimbona kala ibyo nichumbre. Like if you thinking I would buy a car, what color would I go?
White or black?
What? That's so dull.
I don't know, man. I feel like
first of all, that's because I couldn't get a pink car.
You would buy a pink car. Let me see.
Didn't I get that I have pink in?
Yes, Meg.
It doesn't matter. This is Meg. Nina bodo ya pink.
Really?
I have a pink pot. I'm a girl.
You see why I let you put the bag there?
No,
you see, it matches the car. Is that why you did those ones?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Congratulations, man. To more. Why are you going to go shower?
I don't like this thing.
Come asongurudwiwa. Don't rest our way.
You feel like you'll know
you would know.
I think this one I didn't want to put it out there. I think on Mianga and I was just like, you know what?
She did.
Won't
block me.
Oh, I'm only block.
It's a status.
Any PCT? Mara, that's work. I feel like that's better than
I don't think I signed up for this, eh?
I don't think.
I remember what she said to me. Remember what she said to me, Njiri, I don't think you're built for corporate.
Oh yeah, I once told you.
I think ndiyazora ndazobula imwe chimwe oh pfa kwamba ngo
Nina shiri, hey?
no asimo mara ya
No, ninayo. It's not a bad thing. Do you know that ubana shiri zvidanori like you need to understand ronga da mutu noita okay nika engineer tu zvino noita niko let's say noita a whole design or whatever adarasione ningo zidivori ndione mara he's your senior so you can't give him that honey we apala mtu exactly you can't say
I don't imagine Venda chakuma pazit cuz wakenda zobonesa ti bala batu and then mutu you know niyazidivori ezizvindizvone nina butanzi nazo nozviprova namini vakonodzori arizvidisi so abanyagichanduko vatu vaso
that's true ezvo zvachanduko it's even worse because with me zviwise because I'm in the marketing department so zviyambori udzura una dzicampaign udzura una zvithu zvisva vatu vana ndira yoita zvithu when you introduce new stuff zviyakonda uri vafaces so you need to find a way to do it politely and make them feel included at the same time. Ngori vambo dipfonga rini kori inotanyesa. So you need to make sure you include them. So nikuva vudzisa for advice marani. You know what you want in your head. You are bringing it up and then unfortunately that's what it is in corporate. Nikuti ba week.
Yeah, zamoni kuti corporate yanga guys ratoshimanga chashu.
Inini ngotoda zvo vani kubudza vatu what to do. I also don't like it but inabucha.
Inini ngotombudza mevimanga po.
No, I'm just saying, I know I know I'm stubborn. So, with the space in the
oh, good.
19 now.
Oh.
Okay, sorry.
Come on
what
now.
What do you mean?
I don't know, man.
Like, as you was stubborn.
Aggressive.
No, honey. That has nothing to do with aggression.
I think it does.
I'm not aggressive.
So. Okay, yeah.
So I'm just saying, nityo diva uri okay hava dzikubuya. If it means going outside, grab a cup of coffee ni feme, you come back ni right. Nimshumoni, we're only there for 8 hours. Do your thing and leave, man.
Yeah.
Tinondori ngoto then ndo applyera. Narida naita nabeka cover letter ni ngotorida. Nduluberedza.
When did cover letter?
Ayarchaita manje kombori cover letter ni ngoruberedza. Cover letter is so desperate, bra. Cover letter is the most desperate letter you ever write. Hapendi manje ngoruberedza. Ni manje ko convince uri why ngoto.
Sophie I was 1 in 36k
people. No interview wani vangani.
Ati deep. Mara ndichi I know wabona watu banji. Dwalendaya. Mara vangu baba mangu madhuwa vangu baba before. Mara besides there's tin ubitwa watu watuku phone tu. Mara utomanza video zote.
Nendi zone discourage. Zia discourage loss. That's why I stopped doing what the audition is, the agency, the advertising. Ningosukana unaona line ni 200 ndikungara
haba ini
atinayo hello patience I don't have it because 9 yenda interview when I did it vele ndandisindothe mara ngelo dwale ndayo ngori ndatombelo rikomula earlier because I was leaving because somewhere banyita ndonozvipfa ndonozvibona tivamba vathu unombuza no una vangu vakudari lini ndaipfela like ndandonobva kazvo I was shocked when I got a call because I was like
yeah, man.
I don't know.
But then
yeah.
And yeah, anyway, and then also to the 20k subscribers. Thanks a lot. Oh. 20,000 and what vangani. And what vanji mama.
Yeah.
Tendo Stadium carries 25,000 people. And then yeah, man. Also I've been checking the content creation. A lot has been happening in terms of Facebook because we monetization.
Facebook is a mess.
Hey, Mona, okay, I mean. Have you seen the content that's out there now?
But I'm just hating how it's encouraging a lot of bullying now, hey? The bullying is getting worse.
New DT all the time.
Yeah, the new DT is crazy. Yeah,
Lavenda. Lavenda. It's wrong when Lavenda. Lavenda. But yeah, I get what you mean.
Lavender.
Yeah, much better that way.
Way better.
Yo,
I saw she literally did everything on live and I'm like, okay.
Is that where we going?
And my grandma won't do that way.
In a way, I mean, statement. You've been saying it. So why? So kake? Okay, if mtu wa mchangana dori machangana wandi watu.
Atironozidawira mari pawenda zvino ndomujajira uri pala mtu wawendi muntu.
Na I don't think wajajira. So go jajira.
Ndobona omuita like omupana gift.
I think they're dating though.
They are. It's a relationship.
Because ndobona na
they're always together.
What's about life?
Obo mudisina na gift limuduba. Ina like achivula una zvitu like ovula like unboxing. Wazijele. Tama kudzimi.
Obviously, chiva zvitu atoita.
It's the thought that counts, okay?
Yeah, so
Nami
man.
ndingatakaira.
Naitoda mtu set zvafiki.
Jele ndi jele mabudzi adu nambatere. What's your chat? Okay, rine renga gaingo renga magura. Cosmetic stores where unera renga wanedzikasho. Una mtu unless I don't available ndokuwadza for Shein, which is very unnecessary.
Have you gone into that extent in kuti endo chirana zva counterfeit izvo?
In most cases, yeah. I mean rekoinwa dwa rimwe na limwe. Vatu vonorita
and vatu vasongori ni vatu vamaharwa nadzikodhiringi dzaviwe.
No, kodhiringi worse. Coke worse. Coke worse. It's
Coke
easier to make.
6.
It's easier to make a fake Coke than to make a Hennessy. Yeah, fake. So you can't judge us. Yeah. So I feel like it's in most things. For example, remember was the salon. The glue back whenever kostoka one, I never allow to supply what's a fake.
Yeah.
When we do our lashes, when we do our nails, it's you never know. I think I read Tanganese, but if you can spot it, really don't use it. But
hey, nah, I mean it's too much. Also, then if mean bad company, no, if mean bad influencer. Yeah, whatever tungepeza. Why? Maybe my twas the marundebo na matuma. I feel like it's.
Uri mutu uko yaji achinembe cha Louis Vuitton arunga begi yone exactly atubawiro rala.
Not one kono runga. I remember.
Happy urukwama ngamkumba uko urenga gayenga bugayula mkumba.
Remember the last two. Louis Vuitton mukumba waya urenga ungo petru na bona. They don't make
I get it
themselves.
for real. Yeah.
So not whenever kwaya ba stocker the same material but the vadzita and vadziringis and then you will see what to do with it. Unfortunately mungodo G item the same product never one in the counterfeit. Achipanga na zwa logo but then never know man. There's a lot of bags man. Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about. Okay, say what you wanted to say about it. Also, the Robo knows like episode 4. Nani Rogma 40?
Okay, I think Rogmine for.
Okay, 3.
But it's nice, man. Okay, I think it's gonna be nice also. I think those are an episode if not 4.
No, I was losing it. There's something about the acting in South Africa and
what's wrong with it?
I don't know. Something about it ticks me off.
Compared to which ones?
Obviously compared to the American one.
Then how is it different?
I don't know. I think comes in the production years. I was watching it, Mara. It was not as good as I expected. It was okay. It was
when I went in there, one of the I good, but it was only one.
Which one?
I think
yeah, Pano.
So you go to the. I think Rono's gonna get a point to room to reach to us.
Are you on Amazon? Are you on Prime?
Nope.
Me one.
Nina Lamborghini. Ni one. How do you say like that, man?
Because it has better movies. I think you watch better.
I had Prime too. Then it's the one and two. I think Rate and Kunyagona the thing in South Africa, the one that stays in USA now. The beautiful African lady, man. Yeah, that one. I think there's a movie she did, Awaka Prime, so no one in Pala. And I was like, oh, and then after that, I wasn't I'm the account.
I know they're good. They've got series
I'll
blind.
give it a try and don't know
difference.
Yeah, I found out on Ninja SBC 1.
My chat, exactly.
Yeah, I'm just, yeah.
Nila me movie ra chisenda yana ka laptop ka rich colony zvezvile.
Oh, nachi dana laptop nasina me movie. Nazi
Ndikombantu university.
Oh, nche rich colony. My mind mbodumela ntendo.
Ini na laptop ni ntendo. Ini ni chipfumi we.
Also,
ini cheese boy. Na laptop.
That's ina.
Rina rich colony assignments ngachanda ina ko type.
Chanda ndai type ndaisaga.
Na laptop ri wana first year konoto. Although you be ihone. I think you ring when a great off and you could deal with the go to. No, no, so it was very hard to navigate. Like,
yeah, I mean,
the type, you know, it was hard. Like, anyone and none could do first. No, you want to get a grace of it.
I shall not laptop, Dim to because both about Chimanga's laptop. So I got exposed. Oh, okay.
Value be on a man and then when it's a do far, I am young, I am Shumutan.
No, not yamshumo, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then, do you mean?
Cheese boy, cheese boy.
Ini yarwala be.
No, getting a remote.
No, ndito pusha.
Nichikwata near upstairs.
Upstairs ndithanga.
Any cheese boy.
Upstairs actually ndithanga.
Cheese boy. Why you go actor ugarikabs?
Ini yarwala man.
Go upstairs.
Okay, cheese boy means
go upstairs. Chilaji wana child children upstairs.
Next week is boy reka the same on Facebook. Back to it. Try to do zanga. I don't want to say money. When I go to so remember now I'm down ndichamba zwa rent Facebook now this monetization thing here that that's so just content robuya the reuse of content. So I was like this other guy mentioned hey muna in your phone ni copyright. Then I was like muna we talk it and
so someone took your video again.
Yeah. And you know what they do?
If you're
because the trailers as the guest, I think they are under Munesh and then also you're John Runga. And then how so, bro? He's your friend.
I know. And so the whole time ndiko nyango ibona ndodzura. No ibona ila ndo ipfutecheza ndiko bika. It was because yandango ndiko fonga. No ndiko yangu mubona.
I swear.
Okay, I know tina mara wandisi yagitimera mara.
Anishoni no show nengo dori ndopire mngano wanga ndaenda bona yantu. Yampo.
I'm saying yandamu ndo dibuzo ndiko yango ndo ibona. And usually podcast nditotecheleza atiboni. So I want to watch it.
Yeah, you should watch it.
Because I know it's funny. And I know Ures was to also be sad. So I want to see that.
Yeah, so you're right. But yeah, so much like clip and then they posted it. And they could have shared something that's ram. And then this is the last time I think I'm saying it. Or guys, una
doba bari put in foot.
No, that is on please take it down. And then they're going to report.
Oh,
and then they take it down. Mutu modiri. Even naba should they down to ningasha do. That our vis. Yala tiana. If you latina, what 7? And then and that report. I remember Facebook takes time because what my investigation okay, this is the actual video, this is the copyright, and I mean, then I'm block. And I'm the only one who can revoke that thing. So no drag phone and I'm not so ringadir kutan to the like rapids on phone. So I was like,
so people don't understand how serious it is. I think just continue.
Because at first, when I was to remember you're a block alone, what I mean, but what the wakamba no mara, this guy could cheat a bit life, like Nigomu push and I mean, but I'm like, you're not pushing me. Ninga push if you share content and I mean. But then all of a sudden, you go to Jaya Yanga. That's monetizes.
You need to stop explaining yourself. We've spoken about that.
No, I think Zumba is
that's when they could just block, just report. Return the explainer. We've had this chat. I think we spoke about this a year ago. So,
yes,
but so
remember, okay. Like because I'm too son I mean, but then you know what they're trying to do. Which is the thing, you're not one normal. You have a video, yeah, accident. Okay, yeah, accident. There's an accident on the road. Mom took the poster. Just because everyone wants to monetize, they're gonna post that video as theirs. You want a video until 10. Right, bro. What you want to find out of Varori? I don't know what it means. As long as we're gonna get paid.
So don't know one. And the one nga ila nti ya bala bana wako buliwa. Which like ula mwana wabo ya Alicia. Did you see?
Oh, let's go into the into combo.
She got bullied so much.
Because people want engagement.
People want engagement. I don't think people really care about what she was wearing. It's an engagement thing.
I was like,
there's nothing, I
think we should go to that thing in China. People who do content. Degree and
that's how China is doing it now.
They're doing it now.
But though I were to say, the boy, even many. Did the reader cause on baby pays? Normal comedian, reader media.
Why? No degree.
Degree. Somebody or influence. I don't want a degree influencer, but you don't come.
No, I'm going to influencer. Just if you know, at least you have critical thinking.
Oh,
not even a specific to influence and all that.
Oh, yeah, then that works.
Yeah, I think we should go that way.
Because it's important. It's important. One man that's going influencer in my problem. Come back TikTok.
The ones that you are following.
No, I'm not going to follow one. Not don't say it's a routine. Going to follow. I don't care. I like a video before I watch it. I don't know
unless it's sponsored.
Yes, I don't watch sponsored videos. I don't watch sponsored videos.
I don't know
at all. I pass.
The company.
Atiboni na video ntino response kana ndona million views. I don't watch it because I'm like, you're trying to sell me something and I ndikotreza ndongwalo response so
Exactly. So yeah, none come on a video. How did you feel about it, man? The whole
In
12 hours.
Marano, title not she's gonna talk about how her dad not being in the picture influence what
Title.
I think ka caption whatever.
No, she did speak about him.
Or mean.
Ndanavona.
Oh, into ibona yo the
Jambo noita ngori ngobona nikubika ngazibika maguru na wangu bona podcast azikona zi.
Yeah, ni bari. It's okay, man. It's chilled. It's
like,
chilled.
Yeah, you're right.
It's alright.
I don't know. What was rather negative? Mara, yeah, this is Mara, like, Emuna, people should know with podcasting.
Who was negative around it?
No, I think people do say. I think now when I have a comment, remember the last time there was Letitia, where someone now come why podcast universe was saw it.
Hola.
Hey. No, I don't.
You don't have a phone.
In near papa. Yeah.
I'm not going to laptop.
Yes, I think apparently the blackout you go to good like what are we actually getting from all these things I was going to post you because do it and I was like if nagabonento there's a lot to learn like tanto jenana muyo go no title no for you film to una marao na you're like renga dito zo marap but what's na negative like
I think I think the last year ndichikobona means the girls but OnlyFans the show makes show that I said you should watch iranabo wandi
what
this body works for me.
Oh yeah.
And I was like I watch it and I'm not watching it because I'm trying to join the industry.
Exactly.
I am watching it because I want to see why I shouldn't join the industry.
And that's what I always say. Like you are there to learn.
I remember seeing Colin Fega because she was part of the show as well. Colin Fega is a well-known OnlyFans, like she's famous for pornography and whatever. So when I see the way she was living, and I looked at it and I was like, okay, I'm actually living better. And she's been in that industry for long, meaning that route takes longer. You know, so you need to pick up a couple of stuff. You see the things they go through. Apparently you have to get cleansed from time to time. And so it's things like that you need to learn, guys. Like we can't say to kids, no teenage pregnancy, but not show them an example of what teenage pregnancy does. Do you get it? So I inspired to do it. Go ahead. And she was speaking her truth. She was telling you she stayed with who. There was no providing. She said everything. She doesn't know. She was being open with everything, you know.
Yeah.
So if you watch it and you don't pick up anything.
No, I'm just asking, but you can say no.
Why did you go? Did they sin too?
You can say. Yeah, you can say that's also an answer.
Like, what is a bodyguard?
I
don't do stuff like that.
Yeah.
I don't.
Take it up like that, man.
Yeah, man. I don't play like what? Waiting for marriage, bro. And for me, it's never coming. So.
You ain't gonna do it.
So I'm never gonna do it. I'm never going to do it. It's never going to happen.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm just saying, I'm going to pick up anything, Kayo. Then that's the wrong audience, you know?
Yeah.
If I had kids.
I think I would also. Because I'm like, if you learn. I
just don't know about Changa. She used to be great daters.
No, I think
that's
also,
around the age.
It's much better also. Because they get to understand, okay, if I do this, and then that's got to a level in there. And then comes the same body show or she's fine with it. But then also when you want to grade, those who don't know each other, you're like, okay, I might not. Because the same way you said it, I can learn what to do and what not to do. Some ones are okay, so. But then if Kotia was there, maybe.
Otherwise, because I was not need your provider. And also, if I neglect my kids, they might.
This is what happens.
You know. And she was being very. At least I don't know this. I'm trying to work with Zuma. She was very open about everything.
Yeah, man.
So that's her story. That's her truth. And they know this. If I come switch it, I have DJs. You know, chances are if it works out, don't break it. Ask a couple into a after it. Do you get what I'm saying? If she's gonna make good money, I don't know. But I don't think you will have the time to do that. Also, no one status. Even if you go sweeter, naturally you need your gonyesa. Do you get what I'm saying? So I don't think
makosechereka maginya ndikotopa maginya akotoziva nga wadhiva mumwe ane mutengo wogonya
ndima ndofangana nehotora
yeah, but then guys richanosokova nantu namumbulo
mimwe chawe
ufana musi mutu achidhambori hapanoni nemuzika wanga gospel ndotoma guy nebusiness anga ndoitoma guy, that's a business to her, she's making money. Yeni mtu wangu mudi wangu watu wani wangu vari mini ndikoda ndondira uber osokodhari okay I'm downstairs
ngamugo nachiwana chima ngamugo
una tatu stop, did you see it?
Ningastopa ini
I don't think you'll get to that. I wouldn't stop. Wait.
Oh, you wouldn't?
I wouldn't, man.
Until you... Oh, okay.
No, like, I wouldn't do. Not I wouldn't stop. It's just there.
I'm just asking. Just see you want to reply that. Mudeza muna muumwairwa vatu vari hanepo like that's why stop side chiponiwa ane niko stop ani wange chibale ya chiko yange niko stop ani wange chibale wa chiko yange ado wibe hapo kakana akana wewe tuma wewe ya una kudo ipo naye
yeah man, would you do that?
Tattoo?
No, obviously not tattoo.
Wewe tattoo kama
because no mudisoro kwenye recruiter kai
she wouldn't. She knows I follow her because I think I've always seen Uri real heart. She puts it naga pages I was out there. She's not doing it all zumbama. I think that's the one thing. Namsindichi nibuzanga I think 2 years ago. I told you. Yeah.
Ndikadaze iyo fandi boro ndimzora yenga watizo nenda idim.
Nendo nibudza ndore ndi ola mtu udonga jene kereke yazvinozdiva. Did you ever ask her about her? She didn't.
Kemula. Timing kere.
No, nendiko umblori ndimudhibera guy because una petu uneratangana rote.
That episode is too long. Marango mzori ndobusa zikere kena.
Jambo yedora robona no digeda so fani niko toambanisa pomuli.
Conversation yayo for ya kutoza.
Mara I think ndo mwana kirikeni man. Tsate kirikeni kana andaza. Ndo jena ipo kirikeni ndiko aluwa Venda. I didn't go to kirikeni.
Chef asked the urojena kirikeni. I
don't remember because you got over technically but there was a place it's either handadza kana man nara handadza bengor akagrade yapanda rako tiyopira naso. That cannot be the only time I saw her. I don't know, but I've always known her. Maybe, and she was very quiet.
That's the thing I had.
She was very quiet. I don't think dano nomufa kwamba
wamba mshumangi
ausikubarabarira ausikufia achitwa mlinja wedekotete avasingotodikuza
uniform to need the information.
I read a lot of books.
Oh yeah, I love that, man. Must read a lot.
Do a lot of reading.
Really? Yeah, and then also, did you see what Bamtepe wakwetantu? They bought film, Miss AC.
But for me?
Bamtepe. The Mtepe family.
Really?
I know. Why do you think they would do that, man? I was trying to think of
it.
Our plan is to ensure there's like job openings in mishumo. Then I was
though.
In what way?
Oh, the production teams, the whatever. Stronger idols. You know what guy?
Like how about Bonokuzuita? Jambo na wande bamshumo.
No matter if it can become bigger. Okay, for example, it is still big. But it's not as big as it used to be.
I was about to ask. Do you
understand?
That,
maybe they're gonna pump in the marketing and make it more. Because I for one don't. At Diburo wina news. I don't know. I'm not interested. At Nandahava, don't tell me. I don't want to know. Tinandavana. It don't about the idols. Why?
You should. This was South Africa. What do I ignore?
Dude, I am more interested in.
In what?
Why Kate Matlala was spilling the beans. At Nandavana, and I guess everyone has stuff. Then it's called that. Yeah, kaila recording. Kaila recording. No, ila recording ya tambwanga witness C, I think. That's why
I think it's so dumb though. So bizarre to witness what you it's know. So no, like there's me and you, na niyo in a team. Say there's a team of 10, 7-year-old, half of 3. Renerka di chira, and then if unamtu akurichimisa, what those 7-year-old NDP? Why do you call us witness A, B, C?
No. I think bakudzumeli warine from the world. Abone bane bazdiba. Tibala batu zikwambwa budzira kote.
So like,
no, also nabone bane udi protector. You know, you don't want to be done zote zono pera kamzi ono fare ono gwebiwa. The world is safer now and you are known as the person or cuz dibonga batu
apparently
not
also,
everyone.
Ube wakantu, ka witness house ile nina wanoita antinomical show ni right
zvifana musi uniko ri why chila chingwana ule wo rape kwaitwe was not shown. Okay, zvino bona niyo perila case it real doesn't want to fit kwani uya a rape you. I don't know. Real doesn't want to fit kwa uya a rape you, but I don't have her picture in my head like that. So imagine Arero was kubeka nywa wote that was going to define her. Already it defines her where she stays. Mara if she moves to the States at the Bizorufi faith, life goes on. But now radbarum crema. You get it. But yeah, I'm just saying maybe they want to like revamp it.
What have you learned from that thing, man? Yantu. Ya Majanga, the commission.
What did I learn? Like, it was very interesting for me. Watch her like.
But then have you seen already how corrupt everyone is?
Everybody's
just
crazy.
Need to be glued to the right people.
Everyone is so corrupt.
And then
I feel like Cyril is
and your boss
somewhere.
always is a bigger boss, bruh. That's one thing I'm learning from this thing.
What if Jalinka Ravizarko Nordini boss?
Because they're in a podcast this nana
Because I feel like the actual person.
Imagine mtu aba president. It's capable. It's just assumption.
I'm not saying he's clean. I don't think he's clean. No, I think he's clean.
Because also, like,
because you go in his farm, and it's the same sequence. And also now, the Jerry Maponga, the guy where our best friend here gets kidnapped. The one in Nebo Vakakatine, the family. I
don't know the Ola Did the one watch it?
Ipi.
Ola send an 11,000.
Brown Mokozi.
Hey, you don't understand. I haven't been following it that much. Don't worry. Nichwana chipinga. Niko do jenaka ichubu. Then chiki ndabona. In live. And then that and.
Ula muno kidnap ofinyi. Mungano waket. Wa Arena Logistics Company. Wofuma bad. Kidnap wako for 6 million rand Porsche. That guy Jerry something. Banaka cutting edge and the parents.
Speaking of Porsche, and dokumrofinyi. Hangwan. The guy, bra naevo. Uzitesa yo.
Mara, he was low-key.
Then how did it come
Jerry
out?
Mushonga.
Mushonga yengo kake.
Jerry Mushonga oba mngana wawe. Okidnapwa last year. Yes, last year. Huh? And yes, I've been following that story. So
Now I know what I mean. I don't know. Okay, for last year. I don't know. We got November 2024. No, so every day, guys.
Anyways, so Ojiwa Uso Oya. The Balone also the bodyguard. I recover a meeting with somebody he knows, so it's fine. And then at one a little brother wako mo driver was go park a KFC. Ufindi pio ndesi njiro nchidi. They park KFC, the car came. Aya jana keila goroi. Araka the brother no ndindeni were going for a drive. So ndo garko amba. That's how they do business apparently. So it was that day ane otwa asina the bodyguard. Achko tu olo kumanga. It's been 2 hours omuri ndeda ako wana. And then he called. He called the wife. Aro yeah. I'm looking jiwa. That's how it happened. He hasn't been found since. Then they did a video about sending their mom and the wife. Like it was all beat up. The 6 million gun. It kept on going down. And apparently the kid 5 million. So cat uri something with the drugs. Yo, that story is a lot. And now
It's
when they were
drugs,
raiding his house, cause obobe wakela video. Location. So there's a guy and it the bodyguard kana ushuma mudini waketi na owani wangomu hunara bila similar lo wanu wangomu dunia. I mean it's a mansion, it's a beautiful house. But no one below it was
Marabia fana guys. Akoja rotary attended ring. And
the lalo uto was like kete so. So abako put this wofi why in room yanu iso hola rishe divino zuwana zora. It's very rare. Mention in banga bero banga kitten rail.
Wako dinyaga kitten rail ya proper. You know what you import here. So They just can't.
Urijene rumuni ya mtu oshuma nduni mara ndio thita bangaringana ne pepo.
It's dangerous.
It's crazy. There's a lot going on, and I feel like so much is still going to be revealed.
What's the need for bodyguards? Because one thing you know, you realize if I want bodyguards, look at the taxi bosses now. There's this other one, I think it was this previous week.
Like, I didn't see it.
Oh, the guy want a bodyguard. What Roma bodyguard? So everyone is asking under the thing, the video. Okay, me name a bodyguard. Mean if I should go to Beirut and I'm sure now. You see now. And I think
because asiala movie unakona bona mtu akule
headset na headset
hoy wala ningamgidimeza hala ningagidimeza wena ningatwa gidimeza yini ashaba. So it's not, but yeah, it's a very crazy case. And also the fact that uvinyo you leader yash or you worry hero yash mkhanazi
oh
yeah
actually leader yash worry
Mandela actually apparently rana one scanning machine. Your scan as the drugs airports South Africa lot. How come?
Wait.
Yeah, we've got one.
Okay, put it here then.
I'm assuming the OR. Yes,
okay, Mara, are you able to go outside from other airports?
Cape Town, you can, right?
You can you?
Cape Town, international.
Yeah,
but
so
then why?
Now, King Shark, I think you can.
But I think most of them are just in. So funanti
because I don't understand why people fly from Durban, Cape Town, but the OR just to go outside.
Ufia unacherede.
Hey.
Mara reakono sponsora zi event reakono ita susna mshumo mara uri drugs zijene kuti yoshuma mchini mti. Vele zimabegezi dopira.
Also nene OR ziko dopira probably.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, our country is a movie. Anyways.
And then also, did you know apparently he's the one that made sure Renero won the World Cup in 2010?
No, I didn't.
That guy has been at it. See?
Oh, it isn't.
So apparently, the FIFA, in South Africa, because the crime rate, he did a whole report, President of Switzerland, on how he's gonna go about protecting everything.
Remember, and it worked out.
Yeah, Jashuma. Don't know much fatalities that time.
That guy is smart.
And opposite on the low that time because he was not even there.
But
so I'm like, yeah, minister anymore.
And then Begi Kele speaks about the Anele Tembe story.
Hey.
Like 5 meters or whatever meters from Rwanda Hotel, Usumbezero Pushiwa.
Hey.
Because I don't know the wisa, do you get it? I'm going to fall like this.
And
so I know where I'm gay.
Nido
you want a guy moment. Nido the push is ninga the push ini. Nam shrinking as the push.
This was a nature mara mama.
What? Nature where?
You're gonna poop on a pupera woman.
Marajuna are no pupa jamano pupanga minage na minage each lender, each your lender. Udoto mayo ngorno the push. I don't know how to explain it. But you get what I'm saying.
Because it's possible, man.
Okay.
No, I get the part never come at like when I was last Ronaldo the norm around if him to push you over a distance so have him to row over a distance so this is Ronaldo's the way. But if you go none never remember that's a call on one night.
That's the problem. So just because she's attempted doesn't mean uri case ya we isungu investigate.
And you investigate you.
Zawaniwa and then if you want so many things. I just feel like South Africa is a lot, guys. It's a lot. But people nyaba wo Paris jojo. Mtatu avalava nena batla yobe. Ufi boshimza jigero. They don't keep Caesars in the hotel,
bruh. Like
they don't keep Caesars.
Gavid Watson. Remember the guy? Sasa. Na yeti wa ya one next then jigi.
Oh, ila ya Corolla.
Wa Corolla.
Hey. Ya go.
Why ulamtoka chimna Corolla? Let's start there.
How go drive in?
I think so. Why Ramaphosa chinga next day ngakia picanto? Doesn't make sense.
I'm going to tell you an example, but it's too close to home. But
wait and if.
Do it too.
Hey, to my name. In the date, and it was umbra.
That's really.
So go no amba ma.
Didn't type it.
You're giving umpo now. You can do only fancy. What type? Didn't even go pamadzina. I'm sure. But already nyara room. But by nyara mtu azipiri man. Nani tuzifuni azipiri.
Ni damba inara na nungu.
Na nende mtu manungu. Adonde watu wa nungos.
Wa kamenya. panda. I'm asking. Since you've got an opinion, bad. Is it Rose?
Rarga mean disconnected.
Brown mukhosi. Guys, mutu wanakatezi. Nande ningawaka bhasikiri hai. Azviyambure sex.
No, inani kopese so ndikori nini. Ndikora makaliba ya guroi.
Ila yani. Hey Bentley.
I think we should edit it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I mean. How do you think of that, man? And I don't know how to finish Mudau.
No, but it doesn't make you a better witch. It happens, guys.
Yeah, bro. It's awesome, man. Oh, that's a gombangantu. They hang anything, man. What do you think of that guy? Because nakomburu uloki naye. But then
he is.
Oh, visa hani ulamuju.
Vangavana mara izviya zvavana ambe hangwane waniswani atichadhivora waniswani.
I'm trying to remember. Now ndasikufa chifini mwana wawe ndiola akona ko groove body and then also the car. But then the whole story chinachidhiva ndichaine munhu yangwani.
As for groove, did you watch Sibahle Mpisane's episode on Engineer Your Life?
Nope.
Mwana wa stepdaughter Sean Mkize talking about talking about how she's always been alone. Ni stepdaughter mini, and I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it. I felt like she was really playing victim.
Ndikare olamtaka achiketa.
Emunabe olamutkarara savikela family orala on accident maybe others ngoi survive. What it was the operation. I feel like she got the best care.
She's always been like that victim. She has always had that victim
mentality. Namsa accident today.
Even nanga swakukhune and I mean like all of
very yeah vele zvingasivwe zvofana. There's always going to be andile now, only now. Achikubva show wangeni otakara vachikumbera vakupana dzicharede. It was okay.
I think ndakuzemba nemaginyamuro ori vana vadzicharede nezvonanga zviti varira attention mara kosi vachivaudzira they don't have means to go and make money nadonara kosi yanga vadzira vaoni mara vampi chitu tendanoriinikuona cherede
relationship mutonanga kachirede nachipinga.
Exactly, it works like that though everywhere.
Nendisingopuwa chipinga then
you see ndiotonanga zvononola mushore ndisongopuwa chipinga zvinochede inodhara ti uri nendisingopuwa cherede tiachaitodha amchendisvinonga zvezvo
udoitondaigai zvazvino
man
vele zvazvino she's not gonna win. Ndosara handile ane kamzi wavo mwari wakabodzi trust fund namini dzine dzodzumbeya but the rest everybody else is out.
Hey. Yeah, man. Also, man, I don't never didn't. Oh, they hang anything. Why because you hang? Uri, I was trying to understand how the guy can be. Okay, I don't know. But wanga do it ways out there.
How he can be what?
How he can be that evil or stingy? Oh, no, let's use greedy.
That's what most of them are doing.
Bruh, like apparently yes. Apparently there's more cars ne or the ring or to deliver or the like, bro, what's your plan with all that money?
That's the plan, to buy cars. Yeah, what's the plan? You on a plan here. And
what for?
And a lot of people
Just to
do
have
it.
them.
A lot of people do it. It's very.
Don't you think there should be a cap? Corruption or okay, ringas Chinese stop, mara have a cap yana.
Ningasibe na cap.
I think reason why
No. The reason why you're stealing R3 is because nikoto the R3 and then not R3 for 2 months and nikoto the R5. Once you see it's possible, you keep on going high. The same way na mushumoni nichikoto vojena nichi isaina notagara badela chete zvino niwofunga enough. You want more. You're waiting for an increase. The increase it's not going to be enough. Money is never enough.
Money is never
that enough. That is why kushumerwa dzi promotion ndiri ndiyo sikudzani kushumera gonya. No one is trying to go back. Why ndichinga twa R4 for 10 years when I can actually steal 4 million?
Why still living, guys? No, don't need that. I think it's also nibanjisa. So ziba hapo ngoba say about that 2 billion. Okay, say over yet. You wouldn't even want to steal like 2 billion.
Why not?
no udofori okay zvinoenda kutoda because kainena 2 billion also hangwana yote igodi distributiwa
even if you had an opportunity to take your chingadhiwoijia why not
mara also if there's like an opportunity ori hapa pedu kunya kuita zva let's use 5 billion zvinoti narifozori nautofimini ndindothe ndawana ra ndikotoa down ndindothe mara ni muthu ane is update so uodiva zori munhu uchitara chiita zvothe wototi morengeswa watu vapasi namini zvapera but then inothe ndingasizoitela zvito you'd rather still like 500 million ka 5 billion which is like 10% yaiti nengakade kutswa nari yeah it's fine and nazo zvichibvera ndazvidodziva zvikovaisa vatu mara you're like 5 billion ninothe so this whole thing man mara corruption is nice man if you're part of it apparently
I think
have you done corruption even the smallest scale no even the smallest scale remember corruption is like everything nsongo muzori they want a guy
inonoita
probably I don't know
I don't know those divina guy insa divina ini
no ndikubuzisa ndinendo abe nacho ndichibuzisa zvinhu vari kuzondinapindura nazo
I don't know
I'll just tell you this also
I don't know what's the license dzedzi
is that
ndi corruption ainatu
ndanyeza mulori hazvo kuitisa nanyango icontent
nakirikeni arali rari rikonikela vatusa imwe varenga juice ndi corruption ngoti rine richidhisa vari vari kuriyo tendi yakereke ari vatusa imwe vabadala installment chekuro ndi corruption ndiyakereke ndiyazvidhulo navala vatu vanokuimba nne according to me ndipfori vati yobadaliyo I feel like it's for the worship the zvamudhagasi you know utilities if we are hosting autoitoda futi atopfika kuti kaugaza tiweya bribe peke futi ronikena wawote
ndozadala
maintenance wakereke remember it's every day no horera mufunzi ti mufunzi uti yohora
do you think they should I'm just asking now
yeah I think they should because batolaga ngori it doesn't make sense rari kapa yoshuma they're not going to have time for you ini zvino nari mwananga tumbu yokukumwa pati divi ndiiteni vachaise vade you know because I think it only makes sense for us to say they shouldn't get paid when we don't need them
okay what your guy
it depends on how much the church is making
how much the church is making or how much of mini kereke ulisani
how much the church is making
imagine kereke yotodharelo pfi okay let's use what it is on the CRC this kereke kuraniti that you see here afi mfunzi kuwekola 50,000 does it make sense to you dolne yatsaabere nga percent kana a fixed amount because now there's going to be that thing
yeah mara hezo zvito budget that's why there's like a whole like finance team uti na finance team who's the treasurer unoshimos kuibaira masheleni fits uti na finance team once the church is that big you should have a finance team the same way namshumo ni wanu in you guys are making money because the company has clients but it doesn't mean uri hela client zdoba client zoshikela but still you guys have a fixed amount so they need to make it work the finance team has to make sure it works out
mara kerekeni aba unofi client
and
aba una marketing team kerekeni ni atofi
una mini why baka Instagram bodoita bodorabela ka Instagram
share me message
na bro come on that's a marketing strategy
kakerekeza wewe
hote inini chiyeno imanda join kwa live ni manwira
ndiko ita usuko forward nje uri vatu vane abakubelo swikela
why nisa dibudzuri vanodozvifa vadoda basa doda wavanga doda why nisa dibudzuri vanodopfa messages
no small like not when mkotododa mara vaswikelele
okay so it's
look at me now ti ndiwani kuona ntu online ka YouTube every Sunday
okay
so zvinonga zvezvo aona dzimwe minzi
then why usaitu ene yo page ya online yo ya ufunza page ya sishume uza kuitwa zvimwe like usi Sunday
muzvambisa remember uba kushare message yantu tizvinotsobana kantu mara zvivana kasikari ngenda zvina nukamboro okay rikodo kata message like look at CWC uba kuchicho kanyo message ya yese ya ene beg aba ku dropiwa ngado just the same way we do it
every single company or whatever needs marketing auna urava ku market
mufunzo to hey
that's why uchiitwa nezvila zvopfiri you bring people it's they need you guys are acting like the church would comes to bring a friend or invite your family members or whatever that is why namsuchifika vatakuwe areva musvaka vatakuwe vatanganedze we want you to feel welcome because we're trying to make you secure that chair in the next week so you cannot tell me the church doesn't need people they do need people and if they need people then they must market the church.
Who do you think needs the other one the most the church or
we
the
both
people?
need each other we both need each other utovori ne ndika position ya beta ngori ne ndikotonanga kereke veiwe kereke ainangi vatu or this one can come this one we want everyone kuri ukuti shedi ya mumwe na mumwe.
What would you do unono vakerekeni say after 10 years any church then you realize uri mufunzi ndi fake kana zvinhu zvakuitwa hapo hazisi zvone? Do you like blame yourself for this whole time I was being fooled?
I wouldn't blame myself. I wouldn't. Like, I know awuna vafunzi vane they don't have stuff going on. They're human beings as well.
What stuff?
I don't know, like uba fake. Ani dibi uri ba consulta guy, ani dibi uri mean. You don't know where they get their power from. We hear all these stories every day, but nobody can prove it, right? So what I do, I go there, I get the sermon that I want, I get the worship that I want. I'm the one that's singing along, I'm the one that's praying. You're good to go. You get the sermon. Ibyo.
I want to kereke antu. Ima satanism.
Ha.
Apala ni
KFC.
KFC guy.
Mbukati mbusuruzo.
I think one of a few minina. Ufi ni petu ring so that's the bathroom. Unotoka kwa.
Ndikwamba zona oba wela KFC yakale. Remember KFC yakale ni?
Ila yonokera yakuma.
Sina hoba una KFC tsina Nando's. Kale ngisi game. Ngoyibona ndire ya game. Hapala nisa tusuka game. There was a KFC.
Emi na udiba.
Sini na hakoja. Hichila chitarata.
Oh, KFC ila ndikuidiba. Usi hapala.
Was the church not there? Ngapasi. Before ni chisuka hapo tabero pasi.
Black nyana.
Undinyo ndiye Satanism universal.
Oh, universal. Oh, maziko ndizo.
Ndiyo ndiye Satanism.
No, but wachuru nakereke Satanism there. And then also even when I got this site, but wachama no universal asikereke akumo. That's an equal more in the universal.
Don't even know you it's I have no idea. I've just heard stuff about it. I've never
been
there.
Saying a lot, eh?
People say a lot about every church.
Yeah, bro. Hey, yeah, bro. What are they saying about yours? That's
Which
the question now. No, just your church. Which one is your church then?
Okay, it depends on how I'm feeling.
Anyways,
I know where I go to for what, so.
Near. Because get for different things.
I only have 2.
Where do you go? Nikunya shared.
Yeah, shared.
Tina moroni yakakereke ndiko za zvimwe. Ndichinyago bya zvandandi. Okay, gore nikuisa ndisangi. Ndichinyaga madembe ndia angi.
Also angi inditsini unenda bahoneti, and I do love the sermons. Mara shuzontonga the fasting I mean I've told you I can't do it. Kakereke za makwan, they don't do it the way I'm used to.
You're used to like fasting.
Yeah, it doesn't give me like it doesn't kick. Pella, you need to feel it as well. Kushuma, you know. So if it doesn't give you that, then you're like, Ilinga Juno iti aminika fasting.
What do you mean Juno iti?
No fasting Juno, penza no kona.
Where was I in June?
Nani Cape Town.
No, nani pa.
No, nani Cape Town. Marichita roita nga July nguzumura.
Oh, so no nga June. That's
Kambore maranya dazore na fasting biri.
But then net chambre road.
Ya wakati ya tanga.
And was now that's the don't have story about eating food. Because I'm trying to think because if you're no, I don't know.
I don't know.
If you're even that this to join, obviously. Let's join it online. I don't feel the presence now. Could you feel?
Market attend online.
Because I'm just going to take some message. 1, 2. Near the Emda worship Nandara from a distance. If I'm talk one at the whole.
Yeah, January and then do it online.
I wouldn't. Hey?
I wasn't
Trust
coming.
Me, I wouldn't.
I'm not a fan, but I couldn't.
I know, but first got hey, digital world. I mean, I've just so.
No, and I do post. January. Yeah. I did the entire thing online, but it was hectic.
I don't think I would win. Eh? And actually, also since December is approaching, you guys might as well want to know these things on my running it and each corner. So it's more like welcome buffet, harwa, whoopio, wuni wuzamini, someone ko. What were you drinking like yesterday? Kind today, depending on when you're drinking.
I had wine ngamasi I don't know ice usiku.
Oh, wine I think and the wine ice don't know zongo. Final 15 minutes. Your top. Face me no for. Then when I just zongo na izuru. Face me no for city keep ito tolozi uba coming guy.
You're so stupid.
Oh, it's not me, brother. Just did this thing. And I was really about Shivalati. No, Pesaro Yakam after that's so. So I'm like, what about so? And then I mean, it's a very village. Ishale emanje iti vabuze ukuthi vanenkinga nawe yini.
In kind. So meaning it activates in kind.
And then
I got this.
I wish she say force lapho bafo. Kusho igodons ufuna ushi say room.
Mbareni astropes. Mbareni astropes.
Oh yeah, I need to then just get a car. If India me Russian bay sukuma wambe, you don't belong here. Kushe Russian bay if you know wambe oh angela yonke. Really, Russian bay even after a bedroom.
Guy, I think remember career you do also.
Zunecha kambakan.
I don't know about only about
Unga pinu geze. Ufi ndichibuku.
Ndichibuku. Sana tamba.
Soja dova.
Sana ringa.
Soja dova tamba dola litu. Yeah, so and then auchelo mama was next door kuti uya ku takata. Kusho 18 spin-off spin-off from it. Yeah, wine. Okay. That's why I don't drink wine. Yake but oh, I'm so clean like saying that time I'm vomiting on the side of the bed. Ura achana wine. Ufi wine is over Tanzania in the
wine.
Yes, that's what people are saying.
But it's dehydrating. So then vitamin.
I don't know. Whatever you ate before the wine.
I think maybe savannah, not wine.
I took one. A red wine it phone X yako.
Yeah.
And then
as Johnny gives me some phone in
a I'll bought the Rangani, you finish you. Tamando Bodayala. What are you going to do for just release the body? Chi waiting passion fruit. Church not into kitchen.
The rings and that. Tutti.
Had he did? Mara, who just said it's very toilet. What were a group? Not that I did. Esther Pesayo.
Artend jamba aina share.
Yeah, so what's one? So like, do you believe in Esther Pesayo in this? I mean, Reda in my traffic and I need cheat. In it as well. So yeah, like.
Really, no. I don't know ring it I can't describe it. To the meaning it me. What one difference if you ikika in rini not kokangorendo kuti man. This is tears.
There are come by you to map or my road to know fake the becoming glasses.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, man, but then anyways, before we close, I mean anything you wanna say, I mean I'm the one that I know you was saying that.
Tu you go say.
What I mean?
No,
the way I don't go say. You can. I know, man. You could have used another word.
Why not?
Then, anyways, guys.
Flight and did you I'm calling that?
Flight me. No, I'm here.
Who's getting?
It's Friday.
Eh, why you go to work at 3 o'clock?
What on to dang weekend?
No, no go cheaper. Why on to dang weekend and not get everything?
Don't say something, you know, what you're trying to talk about.
So when go to weekend. Boring.
Oh, new the story. Happy belated. Actually, because happy belated festos. So yeah. Also, man, what's the one thing that you've learned this year, man? It was the end of the year.
What's the one thing I've learned?
This year, like
it always works out.
Bruh, that's one thing I was actually thinking of myself.
Somehow it will.
Somehow it will work out. Just wait. Or
talent, right?
I know goes.
I don't know. It always does somehow.
And it's never on your timing, right?
This is Loza.com, but there's a script and there's nothing we can do about it. Assuming what one day
so we should stop praying. You
encourage
that?
I don't encourage it because you're not God's favorite child son.
Oh.
Do you think
he has his faves?
People always say that. I don't know. I know I'm one of them. Ati diburi ndi rothena. Mara arere huko fi mutu as favorite ya God ni monongo woide. Uba mutu anoko go through me.
I don't know, but then I would assume
mutu aneza zirazo komo buyera.
That too, and then also what when you see the same way narrative yori but wakere can shy. I think zivine pala because people see okay in the one go find kerke in correct. I know you need to work and I mean people and they don't want to look into that. They just assume okay in India cricket the marshals then we like okay
speaking of
1000 una million mbili so
speaking of zitwa I think the whole poverty thing it's also like a mentality,
bro.
Like
I think you're gonna get serious now.
No. I think Christians mostly.
Because I just thought of something.
Yeah, Christians bafuna the victimizer. You know, you always nifunga runa mtu nikoroda something. You're very. I don't know, and they're not grateful.
Yeah.
They pray a lot, mara grateful. I'm going to make an example. I got in an Uber, yeah, she was a lady.
That was before the car, yeah. Kanako, sorry.
No, nicho to the vaniji.
Really? Didn't know Renga got into Renga Guy Faro.
Pilates, I was at gym, they came and fetched.
Wait, no Renga.
No,
And come says, you know Renga. Oh, Bryce, don't you?
Ndonganani nani jina gore no brush yenda bro. Namsono lama chips. Muro wako brush na mana msono lama chips.
Majorin le pie. I'm rough.
Udolo. Udolo. Diam diva. Diam tuwa chiprisari. Renga tu awe dera jin.
Renga sport about. I'm like, you can't do this in my car. Then I'm like,
Jitonga jitozine ngari nemdino ngamtu angasite menu mimi. Vashuka badivulele fridge vachenjera zviambaro vamari vave comfortable and you don't mind. I think you just have
we
your
have
people.
Our own people just like God.
Just like God. I was still making an example because I got in an Uber and then this lady Baba Kombudzori, how's your day been? I'm like, I can't complain. Small talk. So Baba Kombudzori, dweloni aikuna, but no, bana injury. How has your year been? And I was like, taking it one day at a time. No, Baba zakwambesa and but what's happening is gungura. Ba unyo tomo gungura. They want to start complaining. Then she's like, no, she's had a horrible year, one an accident. She lost her job because think about she should deliver jitu so. But she want an accident to goroi. Like another car, like a good 6 months was not goroi because the accident was horrible. But at least now she's back and she's working. But yeah, her year has been horrible. And I'm like, okay, you survive a fatal accident and the only thing you're thinking about is a car.
A lot of people don't make it out of accidents.
That's my thing. And I'm like, okay, so your year was horrible because you lived, because you survived. So the only thing you're thinking about is what you lost. How about the life that you saved? Right. So I think people turn to overlook everything. Like we're crying for promotions, Mara. They know it was Namshumo.
Yeah, I think that's what people say.
Like we always want more, greedy. And it's the way you look at things.
Yeah.
You know, Namsi, this is not goroi, but I was grateful. For a line taxi, I still have money for Uber. That's a lot, you know. So I'm not about to go around crying. I feel like it's in the mind. Like we love. For what?
Bruh, so sorry, all poverty is in the mind. Another day I was having a conversation on Corner. I was just asking her, bruh, do you think I think I grew up soft. That's just a thing I had. I was like, how do you think you grew up?
Yeah.
Then Ratomo, and then at the end of it all, we're like, you know what? We were never poor.
We were never.
Because that room, there's nothing she thought than this situation. Back to these things on that laptop and I'm just that some things so I was like, people, we just need to be grateful of the little things that our parents or whoever is there supporting can be able to give you.
Also, I feel like God listens to the heart a lot.
Yeah.
Like, you cannot wake up every day and the first thing you want to do is complain.
Bruh.
You know, I need to live where you woke up, but you like, why are we always complaining?
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I see it.
Yeah.
They don't have this thing that we have. First of all, your boss owes you a promotion. Your boss owes you whatever. Your friends, if you are down, Nani must leave everything she's doing.
Yeah.
We've got so much entitlement. It's wrong. Nobody owes you nothing, bro. No, not even your mom owes you. Do you know that? Exactly.
So
she didn't have to.
Generational wealth, but like him, survive. It's a good thing if now enjoy it.
And I really envy what apartment. That's amazing.
True.
And but you explain Nakamoto Uri because their parents worked hard for that. And you know what? Great. Perfect. At least and that's amazing. Also, we all wished we had that. Mara, it doesn't mean I'm gonna say one. I'm not.
Yeah. No, I'm entitlement. There's one thing I've realized also na Venda. And I used to see Venda on social media, and then now I feel like it's just all over. I saw this girl in Gabazati. I think she renga 2 series some time back. back. And then now, orenga and X3.
Orenga last year, and October, orenga this year.
Orenga X3. And then I saw a comment, Yori, Gabaza one vaone.
Yeah. So, I think that person who get her to
No, I don't think that's the thing. This is never to Monetisation each and every day because that's the second person. No, I'm trying to it was the same thing. Oh, ndi ufina. Oferenga bag. Is it bonang? Bonang. Oferenga bag. Is it 450,000? After there's so many bags you could have bought, it's a 400. Then
for what?
Then I was like, bruh, we're so entitled. Look at the Shandesh thing now.
What happened?
And it was a sensitive thing. Venda. I remember Venda mean. I'm going to book a gig Shandesh also. They were like, no, makazo buka Shandesh, Rene Shandesh, buka Royal Gardens and all that. And then jiggy. So
you guys want to compare Gigi on Shandesh? She just started. The Tomoko one. You compare na Royal level for 10 years.
Also, it's her gig.
She decides to come.
Royal. Asia we win. Na we no to be zone fanana Shandesh.
And you own.
That's the thing.
No, there's so much
entitlement.
I teach my siblings all the time. Uri, don't ever feel like if you say don't ask me. I don't owe you. But usually, nobody owes you anything, bro.
Life is something else. I
and it stays in your I'm telling you guys, it's in your head. You love being chisiwana. What are you trying?
Exactly.
What are you trying, bro? What are you trying? Nina full health. What are you trying? So I feel like we're just always looking at what we don't have. We seem to forget what we have at the moment. Now I'm very bad with like celebrating stuff. I don't celebrate stuff, but it doesn't mean I don't see it. I'll pray about it and relax. But then I hate people that are not grateful.
How
I don't
do you
like
react
it.
when you get compliments?
I don't know. I hate it.
Bruh, I
you know, I'm not even affectionate. I don't like doing hugs. And guys, I don't hate you. I just don't do these. Because in the morning, I'm like...
It doesn't make sense at all, bro. Like...
No. Hey, and it's trauma, though. Do you know that? It's not normal. We are the problem, not them.
I don't think so. Because another and I also saw a post related to something like this. Okay, maybe it's just something one of me, what about the motivational speaker? So I thought of it, maybe that's also another reason. Okay, you're getting compliments. And all that. Then if you see how many people don't know how to react when they get compliments, it's mostly because compliment idea come to. We used to we give praise. We don't give praise to a person.
So did you receive? I feel bad.
It's not like you're feeling bad.
You don't know how to react.
You don't know how to. Same way, happy birthday.
Well, I don't know.
Like, I don't know, like, do I say, a guy? No, hey, right.
You need to downplay it.
That's the thing, bro. Like, no ways. No, but you know somehow.
That's what I said.
Exactly.
You didn't ask me. You didn't ask me. So I'm just like,
you see, such things.
But
oh, Nori, as Rotoman. Yeah. Why?
Because why you can compliment her?
Because
okay, this person already thanks. Who could do it?
I wouldn't say thanks.
What would you say?
No, like
if I say things, what are you gonna say? Like it's giving yeah. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, hey.
That's what happens. So guys, at the compliments is in way. Type panic for at least they don't react.
You're in person.
And
I never know.
Then I was thanks, bro. In person.
Nah, not on the end of weird. Don't do that. Guys, I think Aris a pandanane is like compliments of a Venda. Hey, Namusiva Kotoya guy, hey, Botamba.
The queen is ill. Now the Conan on your paying guy. I don't know the Tambela and
hey, Nichima Grace got Evan guy. Ask my name. Hey, I'm driving. Don't call me.
Also, I wanted to ask you not to ask Nakomlore. Maybe we should. With that 20K, do you think I was thinking, okay, it's time maybe we all people a live show? But then I'm so scared, bruh.
Of the questions.
Look at the thing that you no, not because of anxiety. Or I will even date because people are online. I mean, but are people ready to like meet you physically?
Just make sure I was trying
to do one and remember I asked for the Chifaro Garden thing.
Oh yes.
So
No
I was
money.
So I was trying to get like, okay, let's do like 30 people, just 30. 30 is enough. Now, no more money come. And then like we do a boat one and then.
So dzava dzotobva tikiti dzidzedzo bedzi.
Yeah, it's Zoto Raro.
Dzisakodhura ende mara dzidza vathu va.
That's the plan. That's what you're doing. But then when I got the code from them, I'm like, okay, I know I want to do this. Mara, ndichibori now to you guys, kids, it's not gonna make sense. So hopefully we're gonna work out something. When we are means up in terms of life.
Yeah,
things.
they should tell us.
December when I anything, I was the mini.
It is yo.
We should give it a try. Let's do 50 people, your Tom, or a and then yeah.
Hey,
so, how? Anyways, is there anything you wanna say before Chiva? No, I'm not going to say. Yeah. So thanks for coming. Wait, when do you go? Thanks for coming. No, though as a guest. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in, Kavi. No gonna shaka and then. If you made it this far, always share the video, comment, written. 20K is nothing. There's always a bigger number. And then this episode was brought to you by MR21 Finance and Insurance. And if you want to know more about the details, there's always a banner. You can check out the numbers in the telephone, and then also the WhatsApp. Choose whichever you think is best for you, and then meet and communicating for the chimtan. And then we'll see you on the next one. We don't even know when, but then I'll see. Bye.
Bye. No.